Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who records tutorials, you know how hard it is to find a screen recorder that's powerful and easy to use. Today, I'm reviewing Action's Screen and Gameplay Recorder, a popular Windows screen recording tool that's now available as a lifetime deal on StackSocial. Let's see if it's worth grabbing. Here's what makes Action stand out. Record screen, gameplay, webcam, and audio in high quality, supports 4K and HDR recording. Separate audio tracks for mic and system sound. Built-in live streaming to YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, and RTMP. Record Zoom, Skype, and Teams calls, easily on-screen drawing tools for tutorials and walkthroughs. Webcam overlays, green screen, and custom graphics. Automatic recovery if a recording gets corrupted. It's fast, stable, and works great even on mid-range PCs. Normally, Action costs around $29, but right now on StackSocial, you can get a lifetime license for just $9. No monthly fees, no yearly renewals, just pay once and use it forever on one Windows device. Exclusive StackSocial coupon alert. Use code SOFTPARK20 checkout to save 20% instantly. So if you're looking for a simple, powerful screen recorder for gaming, tutorials, or streaming, Action is an easy recommendation, especially at this lifetime price. Check the link below for the deal. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.